Hi friends, welcome to my channel Moms and Kids. So today I'll be sharing a recipe of a very different kind of dosa. So that is bottle gourd dosa. So now let's see what ingredients are required to prepare this dosa. So first is 1 tablespoon of jeera, according to your taste, red chilies and salt. Then a medium size bottle gourd. So this bottle gourd, we are going to peel the skin and chop it into fine pieces. Then we are going to use idli rice and tur dal. So these are the ingredients required to prepare this bottle gourd dosa. 1 tablespoon of jeera, according to your taste, red chilies, rock salt, a medium sized bottle gourd, idli rice and tur dal. So the measurement for this dosa is, if you're taking 1 cup of idli rice, half cup of tur dal. So this is the measurement. So if you're taking 1 cup of idli rice, half cup of tur dal. So this is the measurement to prepare this batter. So I have already measured and soaked the rice and dal together. So here I have taken one and a half cup of idli rice and 3/4 cup of tur dal. So in this glass I have measured it. So in this glass I have taken 1 and a half cup of idli rice and 3/4 cup of tur dal. So I have soaked the idli rice and tur dal together for somewhere around 3 to 4 hours. So now we are going to grind this into a batter. Now let's see how we have to grind the batter. So first we are going to grind jeera, red chilies, salt. So first we are going to grind these ingredients without using water. As usual, we are going to grind this into a coarse powder. So once this is coarsely powdered, then we are going to add this soaked rice and dal, and then we are going to grind it. At the end, once all this is grinded, at the end we are going to add this finely chopped bottle gourd and grind it into a fine paste, and we are going to mix it into the batter. So I will also show you how we are going to prepare the batter. So here I have peeled the skin of the bottle gourd and I have removed the seeds and I have chopped them into small pieces like this. So now, this is how we are going to chop the bottle gourd into pieces. So here I have grounded jeera, red chilies and rock salt together into coarse powder. So once this has been coarsely powdered, we are going to add the soaked rice and dal into this and we are going to grind it again. So now we are going to add the soaked rice and dal and again we are going to grind it along with the powder. So I am adding the rice and dal soaked and I am adding the water along with it. Don't add too much of water. Little by little we will add and grind it. So the batter should be like dosa batter consistency, normal dosa batter consistency. So we are going to grind that like that. So after this is grinded, I will. So here I have grinded the rice and dal. So I have grinded rice, dal, rock salt, red chilies and jeera together, and this is the batter I have got. So now at the end I am going to add this bottle gourd chopped pieces. Now I am going to grind this into a paste, fine paste. Please don't add any water, since water is already there in the bottle gourd, so that same water is sufficient to grind this into fine paste. So now I am going to grind this into a fine paste, and at the end I am going to add this paste to this batter and mix nicely, and then I am going to allow this batter for the fermentation process. So I am preparing this batter previous day night, so I will be using it for tomorrow morning breakfast. See, this is the consistency you're going to grind this. So similar to your normal idli dosa batter. And now after we add this bottle guard paste, it is going to again become a little watery. If it is too thick, you can adjust the consistency by adding a little amount of water when you are preparing the dosa. So when you're preparing the dosa, if you feel the batter is very thick, you can add a little bit of water and adjust the consistency of the batter. So here I have grinded this bottle guard into a paste like this. So without adding water, make sure you have grinded your bottle guard pieces into a fine paste. So make sure there are no bottle guard pieces and it is grinded into a smooth paste. Now we are going to just add this and we are going to mix it along with the batter. So I will just show you after mixing it. So nicely you have to mix it up. So I will show you once all the bottle guard has been paste is mixed into this batter. Added all the bottle guard paste. Now you are going to mix this nicely along with the batter. Make sure it's mixed nicely. You will never know that this is a bottle guard dosa at all. At the same time, it will be very tasty. You can even pack this for your kids' lunch box as well. In case you're packing this for the lunch box or snacks box, please make sure you you prepare the dosa little thick. So I feel the batter is little thick, but let me allow this batter to ferment, and then tomorrow morning I will show you how the batter is, and then maybe we can adjust the consistency of the batter by adding water. So now I am going to allow this batter to ferment. So that is the whole night I am going to allow the batter to ferment. Oh, hello friends, good morning. So yeah, the batter has been fermented, you can see, but I feel the batter has been little thick, so hence I am adding in this glass I am adding 3/4 glass of water and adjusting the consistency of the batter. So after I have added water, so this is the consistency of the batter. It's just like your idli batter, normal idli batter. So I've adjusted according to the same consistency. So now let's prepare the dosa. So I'm going to prepare it in the normal way, how we prepare the normal dosa. So then this you have to this. So you can see it is coming just like your normal dosa. It is going to be very crispy as well as tasty. Then I'm just putting some oil. And you need to cook for 2 minutes. Now I'm just flipping the dosa here. So you can see it's been cooked nicely. To just flip it for a minute and allow it to cook. So you can see how crispy and see the color you can make out. So your kids will also not know that this is a bottle guard dosa. So yeah, I'll be sharing you the benefits of this bottle guard vegetable. This bottle guard vegetable is a very good water content vegetable. It contains about 96% of water. So hence it's a very good vegetable to be consumed during summers. So this bottle guard, since it is good in water content, it cools our body and it also refreshes us. It is also very good in antioxidants and vitamin B and C. It has a very good fiber content as well, and helps in cleaning our stomach, and it is also very good for our digestion purpose and all that. So it is a very apt vegetable to be consumed during summers. So since it is very good in fiber, it is very good in antioxidants. It has a high water content. About 96% of water content is there in this vegetable, and it is also a rich source of vitamin B and C. So here our bottle guard dosa is ready. So you can serve this dosa along with the tomato chutney. So hence So thanks for watching my video. I'm sure your kids will be enjoying this recipe, and we mothers also will be very much happy and satisfied to serve our kids a healthy breakfast. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Press the red color subscribe button and press the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you.